To draw this sketch, I'll start by creating a circle with a diameter 25 millimeters. Then, I'll create another circle with the same center and a diameter of 45 millimeters. I'll place the origin here. Then I'll create a larger circle with a radius of 73 millimeters. And finally, I'll create this shape, and then this one, followed by a circular pattern from them. I enter the sketch on the front plane. Using the Circle tool, first type, I draw 3 concentric circles. Diameter of 25, 45, and a radius of 73 millimeters. And a radius of 73, which equals 73 times 2 in diameter. Then, using the Line tool, I draw this shape, starting from this point, moving the cursor back to the same point to switch to the Arc tool, and then drawing this line again with the Line tool. I convert this arc into a semicircle, like this. I align this point vertically with the origin. Now I set the length to 12 millimeters, and the semicircle's center lies on the 77 millimeter diameter circle, meaning the distance from this point to the circle's center is 77 divided by 2. A length of 12 millimeters here. And I set the distance from this point to the origin as 77 divided by 2. There's also a circle here, with a radius of 32 millimeters, its center located at a radius of 92 millimeters, meaning the distance from this circle's center to the origin is 92 millimeters. So I draw a circle here, aligned horizontally with the origin, with a radius of 32 millimeters, meaning a diameter of 32 times 2. And radius of 92, so the distance from this point to the origin is 92 millimeters. Then I use the Circular Pattern tool. Select this point as the pattern center. Choose equal spacing, 360 degrees, and create 6 instances for this entity and these entities. Finally, I use the Trim tool to remove the extra entities from the sketch. This is how the sketch is completed.